And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
The time is 6:45 on this Monday morning, and it is back to work and back to school we go. Check out this beautiful view from our Sky 5 camera in McAllen. The sunrise is out there on the horizon. Officially 7:19 is when we'll see the sun come up, but the traffic very light at this hour at the corner of Jackson and Nolana. You may need a light jacket as you head out the door. It is a little bit cool out there, so let's take a look at your temperature in McAllen. On the board, right around 50 degrees. It's also 50 in Brownsville and Weslaco. 51 degrees to start your day in Harlingen. Rio Grande City, you're in the upper 40s this morning, so definitely carry a jacket or even wear it as you head out. Your dew point value is right around 33, so it tells us we have continued low humidity, and that's exactly the way it's going to stay for the afternoon ahead. Now, looking at the breeziness, it's really not as windy as it was yesterday. In fact, we have calm winds in McAllen, 3 to 8 mile per hour winds out of the west elsewhere. The thing about it is today it's not going to be windy at all. We're talking about a southeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour, so we will get that relief, especially for those who suffer from allergies with all that dust and everything blowing around yesterday. That's not going to be the case today. It's also going to warm up. Future Track indicates that about noon we'll be in the mid-70s across much of the valley. A little bit cooler along the coast, but I think even this afternoon, as we put the Future Track model in motion, we go to 4, you'll notice that much of the valley is in the upper 70s. I think the upper valley will actually reach the low 80s today. The coast will stay in the lower 70s, so a very nice day across the RGV. Then later on tonight, clear skies with low temperatures bottoming out near 60. Here's the setup across Texas. Dry conditions all across the Lone Star State. Notice that over in the corner here, you see that all of that stormy weather continuing to make its way east. As it does, the winds, that's the reason why our winds are going to lighten up for today. Future Track indicates we'll see a good amount of sunshine all afternoon, hardly a cloud in the sky. We just have a lot of dry air in the atmosphere, so we stay clear overnight as well. That low humidity at least continues for today and tonight. Tomorrow, I think we'll go back to the 50s, so you may notice a little bit of mugginess, but it's still going to be rather comfortable. But it will be very breezy and hot tomorrow. We're talking about potentially record-breaking heat in parts of the valley. Looks like the breeziness is going to stay with us Tuesday night and even for Wednesday. And this is all ahead of the next cold front. That cold front will arrive early Wednesday morning. It's a very weak front, doesn't build up much moisture with it, so it's not going to bring us any rain. It will bring us a slight cool down, and you will notice that the winds will still be gusty in the 30 mile per hour range on Tuesday and then on Wednesday as well. Now by Friday, that's where we see bigger changes. You'll notice that the clouds start to build up a little bit more, and also some showers will actually start popping up in the forecast Friday night and then as we head into the weekend. They will be spotty showers, so nothing really in terms of a washout is expected this weekend, but it's enough to carry your umbrellas with you. Out along the coast today, there are no advisories. There will be a smooth bay with its nearshore waters between about 2 and 3 feet. If you're headed out to the coast, it will be closer to around 73 degrees. Your rip current risk is low, but I don't think too many people will be getting in the water with temperatures in the 60s out there for your water, for sea and also the bay. High temperatures today in the rest of the valley, upper 70s and even the low 80s. Again, low humidity, so it'll feel really nice out there. Tonight, clear with lows near 60. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, 89 degrees, very breezy and warm, potentially record-breaking heat here in Weslaco. We'll watch that. Our record is 88. Falling back to the lower 60s tomorrow night, and then here comes the front. You'll notice it settles things down a little bit. Be right around 77. Still a little breezy, becoming less breezy by Thursday, and we'll also see increasing sunshine. And it'll be mild come Thursday, near 73, 70, a little bit cooler by the end of the work week, and we'll have those clouds to work with. Also a few spotty showers this weekend. In addition to that cloud cover, keep temperatures right in the mid 60s this weekend with 66 on Saturday and on Sunday. Rain chances are at 30%. Notice that your overnight lows eventually dip down to the lower 50s for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday night. By Saturday night, looks like we're in the upper 40s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.